Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a ladies 31mm stainless steel Rolex Datejust. This one's a 31 on a Jubilee bracelet. The model reference number for this watch is 278274, and we are looking at the new blue floral diamond dial today. That's new for 2022. Current retail price as of 2022 is $10,300 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. This Rolex Datejust 31mm is a mid-size watch at 31mm, and it measures from my thumb to my pointer finger here. That's the case size. It's been the most popular size for most ladies, and it's noticeably larger than its 28mm counterpart. This case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. Fluted bezel is crafted in 18 karat white gold. It gives this watch that Rolex look. Now you can get this watch with a diamond bezel. It adds another $6,500 to the cost of the watch. So the white gold fluted bezel is probably your best bang for the buck. And this watch is easier to identify as a Rolex as well. Now going into the dial, we're looking at this beautiful Azzurro blue floral motif, a diamond dial. This dial is new for 2022, and it's an interesting one. This dial has diamonds seemingly scattered all over the dial, but you'll still notice that the diamonds on the outside of the dial are actually hour markers. I like how the floral motif fills up the space in the center of the dial. It's a really pretty dial. You have sword-shaped hour and minute hands that are easy to see. You might have a hard time reading them in the low light conditions, so there's no luminescence on this dial at all. You can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position under the Cyclops magnification window. This magnifies the window about 2.5 times the original size for easy viewing. The crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out is going to be able to change the date. You can see me cycle through the date here at the 3 o'clock position of the window. Third position out is going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands like so. Once you have your hour and minute hands set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 2236. It has the hour, minute, date, center, second functions, and the power reserve is about 55 hours. So you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It should still be keeping time. Being that it's self-winding, the movement of your wrist is actually going to be winding the watch as you wear it. Going on to the bracelet, we're looking at holds this watch. We're looking at a stainless steel Jubilee bracelet with a half polish. That's high polish center links and a satin finish on the outer links. Bracelets open up with a concealed folding oyster clasp. Let's go ahead and open this up. You can see the crown here. Just peel it off, and that opens up the bracelet for you. You can close it up, snap it back into place, and it's almost seamless from lug to lug, with the exception of that crown here to peel off to undo the bracelet. Very comfortable bracelet to wear on this Datejust. You can go for an oyster bracelet if you like the sportier look. Oyster bracelets, same size, but the links are a little bit bigger. Probably twice as big as these, or 2.5 times bigger. Also, that oyster bracelet also has an easy link extension that extends that bracelet another 5mm. This Jubilee bracelet does not have that. Now, for my thoughts about this watch, this Azzurro blue diamond dial is new for 2022. It's a really pretty dial. Normally, watches are offered in either index dials, Roman dials, or diamond dials, and this dial has a different layout for the diamonds. It's got 4 different shades of blue on it. This watch works well as an everyday wear watch. It's a stainless steel, so it's robust. It's an automatic. It has a second hand and a date function. These are things I'd be looking for in an everyday wear watch. Jubilee bracelets are also very comfortable on the wrist. Bracelet also makes watch look a bit more dressy than one with an oyster bracelet. Oyster bracelet's going to make your watch look a bit sportier. Now you can match this watch with anything from a summer dress, jeans, or t-shirt. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 278274. This is the Rolex Datejust 31 stainless steel Azzurro blue diamond dial with a Jubilee bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.